Hi guys. So at Bitscale, we really like fitting into different GTM stacks, right? Because we really want to avoid moving people away from their current standing stack just so that they can incorporate our product into their day-to-day GTM. So one of the major ways in which we kind of solve this is by creating tons of different integrations, right? And I'm very happy to announce that we have set up a native integration with Attio, which is one of the most up and coming CRMs. Not up and coming anymore, it already has a crazy good user base, tons of different good things to hear about these guys. And so, yeah, we have a native integration now available for them. And in this video, I'll just be like walking you through the different features that we have, how the integration looks like, how you can set it up for yourself, uh, the type of interactions that you can do with Attio. So as far as setting up the integration is concerned, it's fairly identical to most of the other CRM integrations that we have. Just head over to the integrations tab right here and click on connect integration and you'll find Attio. And all you really need to do is just click on it, go to the bridge, it will ask you to authorize the app, and then you can just head back over to Bitscale and your integration would be set up. So let me just check if I already have an integration here in this account. I don't. So perfect. I'll just go to connect integration, click on add integration, connect Attio. Perfect. It will ask for my acceptance. I'll confirm. And we just create this integration, right? Perfect. Okay, so the integration is done. That is all you really need to do as far as the integration is concerned. If you head back over to the home tab and go to new grid, you will find an import from Attio button right here. Just click on that. And this would open up a very similar interface as is available in the HubSpot pull. So you just select your account from here, select what kind of object type you want to pull into Bitscale. So company, deals, person level data, etc. So I'll just select person here. And then you can set up filters, the type of attributes that you want to fetch, etc. So maybe I'll just set up lead status is not empty. And all I really need here is the record ID and the email addresses. Perfect. Preview results. Great. Now we can just pull these records into a new grid. And yeah, this is it that you really need to do as far as like ingesting data is concerned, like pulling data from Attio. This is all you really need to do. Once that is done, you have an option of looking up this data as well. So for example, if you have, like I already have the emails available and the record IDs available, I want to find out more about the company these people are associated with. So what we can do is I'll utilize the Attio lookup in that case. I'll just head back over to integration and I'll find the Attio lookup object. Here I'll just select the integration again. Object type becomes person, match record ID with record ID, and I'll just fetch company here. Just save that, run it for the first time. And once the company target record ID is available, right, I can just add that as a column. And then I can find out all about the company using another lookup. Company match record ID with target record ID, and I'll fetch maybe the domains. That works. Save, and for the first time. Perfect. So yeah, so using this, you can find out anything about the record type that you currently have in your grid, or even those record types that are kind of mapped or associated with the records that you have right now. So kind of like an all-in-one functionality, you can really look up anything that is available on your CRM using this. And once you have the data points available, or maybe you're starting out from a different data source and you want to push these values back to Attio after maybe updating it, in those cases, you can just head back to enrichment here and just go again to integrations, Attio, And yeah, just set up the input parameters, object type company, action, update record, record ID. I already have the target record ID here. And map field, I'll just pick one of the random fields that we have. Wait. Maybe this, right? Or description, yeah. And I'll just push the domain itself just to show you how it really works. If I save this and I run it for the first 10, all of these values will be pushed into that domain. So, sorry, that description attribute available against that company. And so, yeah, this is really it. It basically allows you to do any kind of interaction with Attio as you could with HubSpot and Salesforce on the platform. And yeah, would love to see what kind of workflows you guys create here. And if you have any questions or you're using Attio and you have a very custom requirement, do reach out to us. Our support channel is always available. All right, bye bye. Cheers.